Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. Today we are testing the Supermoto wheels on the ETM RTR. We're here at the lot. We got some of the fellas out. We're gonna race this 4 fatty right here, but I'm really excited to test these out. This will be my actual first ride on these things. Okay guys, we are here at the lot. We got One Way Miles behind the camera. Shout out One Way Miles, but we're just gonna test this thing out, see what we think of it, see how it feels. It should wheelie way better. We still got the stock brakes, but let's do it. And we got the shift lock, which should be huge. I think I betted these brake pads, so. Oh, it's so much better, holy shit. Oh. Woo! She wheelies so much better now. Oh my god. This is the thumbnail right here. Woo! It's so much better, bro. Guys, not only does she just look so good, but she feels so damn good. So we're gonna go out, try and get better at wheelies on this thing. I'm not sure how well bedded the pads are, or the rotors rather, but we'll see. This is definitely something I need to do more in 2025. Come to the lots to practice, just like actual deliberate practice sessions instead of just doing the street riding. Plus YouTube, this is a closed course, so can't demonetize this. I think I'm gonna adjust my brake lever just a bit more because she's not locking up with one finger right now. Another huge, super convenient thing about this bike is we just pop this seat and I have my toolkit under here. This is just an old Axe toiletries bag that I zip tied in. There you are. All right, that's a little too tight. Good to go. Side saddle, feet up circles. Come on now. Oh my goodness, guys. These wheels absolutely transformed this bike. You saw I couldn't really wheelie the dirt knobbies that well because those are really hard to wheelie, but once you get Supermotos on this, all you need on it are Supermotos and then you're golden. This is stock brakes. I'm gonna upgrade the brakes like I said, but wow. Wow. Much comfier, much more put together than an upgraded Razor. Should we just go all the way up around? Oh my goodness! This thing freaking rocks! Look at this thing! So sick, bro. So sick. See guys, ETM RTR keeps up with 450s easily. Low-key want to try hand drag. Low-key afraid with these brakes though. Oh my god, guys, go buy an ETM RTR. Go to electroandcompany.com right now. Use code ConnorG to save 150 bucks, but there's just no better Mini on the market right now. Not only is this great on dirt, specifically like pit bike tracks, trails, but she's a wheelie beast too. You can put 12s on it, you can put 14s on it. Miles, let's race. 72 volt, 25 amp hour, 8 kilowatts. That is
72 volt, 20 amp hour. About 8 kilowatts.
About 8 kilowatts as well. And what kind of motor? Soshin? Miles is turning it up. He needs an advantage here. 2, 1, go! I bet. Let's rip it. 3, 2, 1, go! Is he gonna get me in the top end? Oh, he's coming! He's coming! Holy shit! I thought I was going into the curb for a sec.
It's Electro & Co. They see this sprocket.
Electro & Co. sprocket. We just need Electro & Co. Everything else. Alright, we're racing everybody at the lot today. We're gonna race the Ultra B. Ah, it took me. Alright, I had a bad start too. Let's go, baby. Circle time. You can just do such tight circles on this because the wheels are so small. Oh, it feels so good. Death spin. Whew. Hi, Rye. Continue with the combos. This seat feels so good to stand on. Doesn't feel like the Razor seat where there's not a lot of support on it. The frame goes all the way back on this thing, so you don't feel like you're gonna snap the seat. Enoch circles. I dropped my phone. Where's my phone? Where is it? I dropped my phone somewhere. Hey! Alright, here comes the moment of truth. Ah! It's a brick! Yep. Life is good. Life is great. This bike is so fun. Forget all my other bike. Forget a Sur-Ron. Forget a Delaria. This is a vibe. You get the good power. You get the good range, especially if you even get a bigger battery from Electron Co. But it's just a pit bike. It's like a big 110. You could even put 14 Supermotos on it. Then it's even bigger. Guys, and battery's doing great. 74% right now. Actually, let's turn it off. 78%. Been here probably like an hour or so now. If you get the RTR and you want a wheelie, this is a must-do mod. No conversation. I mean, it's like the reason you see all the dirt bikes for the most part run the street tires. Nice to meet you, bro. Oh shit. He is swinging this RX-8. Oh my god. That's scary as shit, bro. Mad sick. Smack the curb. Oof.
I'm not even worried. Fuck that wheel. I just don't want to. Fuck, that arm is probably fucked.
Yeah, you bent it for sure.
Alright guys, we got some more people at the lot. We got sit down slate here with the foot brake work. Damn! We got an R7 outside now. Yeah, buddy. You killed on that thing.
Thank you.
It looks sick too. Yeah, it's dope. It's like, it's an ET, it's called an ETM RTR. It's from Electron Co. It's like a 110, but all electric.
Dude, that's sick.
Yeah, she's a ripper. It's like the Sur-Ron Power, but smaller.
You're fucking killing all that thing.
I'm trying to get used to it. All right, let's get some death spins. Woo! The 50 looks so tiny. Starting to feel cozier on it. There we go. You almost like stop. Yeah! Dude, I gotta say, I'm so impressed with this bike though.
Out the box.
Out the box, it's perfect. And like I was unsure with the dirt tires, but bro, with these on, oh my god. Alright guys, there you have it, the 12-inch Supermoto wheels from Electro & Co. They make this thing a wheelie beast. Absolute ripper. Thing feels so good. Everyone rode it, everyone likes it. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want these wheels or any of these parts or this bike, go to Electro & Company. And my GoPro just died, but I'll catch you next time. Peace.